All right, here's a continuation of the double angle formula. So we're going to work in this example with the double angle for the tangent. So it's asking us to find the exact value of this rational expression. So we're going to go up to our notes in the yellow box, and we're going to work with this black formula right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just write that formula down. That formula is the tangent of 2 theta equals 2 tangent of theta over 1 minus tangent squared of theta. So what we have in this problem is the right side of this equation. So we're going to go backwards to the left side, and we need to find out who is my theta. So the theta, the angle, is 15 degrees. So we're going to sub that in. So we say the tangent of 2 times theta, 15 degrees. And now we simplify it. 2 times 15 degrees is 30 degrees. 30 degrees is one of our angles on the unit circle. So let's go off to the right side here. Here is about 30 degrees. It has the ordered pair, square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, x and y. So to find the tangent value on the unit circle, from unit 4, you're going to take the y over the x. So we're going to take 1/2 and divide it by square root of 3 over 2. So we have a single fraction dividing a single fraction, so we're going to keep, change, flip. We'll keep the 1/2, change it to multiplication, and then flip it. What happens is the 2's are going to cancel out. Those are common factors. They'll become 1. Then we multiply across. Well, that reduced form is not reduced yet. You have to rationalize it. So we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 3. And now we multiply across. We're going to get the square root of 3 over 3. So what is the tangent of 30 degrees? It is the square root of 3 over 3. All right. We've talked earlier about the double angles. There's one formula set that has 3 different forms for the cosine of 2 theta. So they are all below. It doesn't matter which one you choose when you're trying to evaluate an expression, but sometimes if we go into verifying trig identities, then we'd want to work with a certain form. So here's an example. Write the expression as a sine, cosine, or tangent of a double angle. So we need to watch the pattern. So we have 2 times the sine of an angle times the cosine of an angle. We have to find the appropriate formula. So if we go up, just going to erase these, we're going to be using this formula right here, the double angle for the sine. So I'm going to write that down. So the sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine of theta times the cosine of theta. What we've been given in this expression is the right-hand side of the formula, and we want to work backwards to the left. So we need to find the appropriate theta. So this 22.5 degrees is our theta. So we're going to substitute on the left-hand side. So the sine of 2 times theta, 22.5 degrees. Now we simplify. 2 times 22.5 is 45 degrees. 45 degrees is an angle on the unit circle. So here's 45 degrees, it has the ordered pair square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, x, y. Remember, the sign is your y coordinate. So what is our y? It is square root of 2 over 2. So our answer for that expression is exactly square root of 2 over 2. All right, write the expression as a sine, cosine, or tangent of a double angle. So here's what we've been given. So we have to go up into our formulas and find that one. And it is right here. Cosine of 2 theta equals 2 cosine squared of theta minus 1. So the cosine of 2 theta equals 2 cosine squared of theta minus 1. So now we're going to identify the theta in this formula. What we've been given is the right-hand side to the double angle formula. So here is our theta, our angle, pi over 8. And we're going to substitute into the left-hand side of the formula. So the cosine of 2 theta pi over 8. Now we're going to simplify it. So we need to multiply across. So 2 times pi is 2 pi over 8. And then we can reduce that fraction down. We can divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, and we get pi over 4. Well, pi over 4 is one of our angles on our unit circle. It's right up here. Here's pi over 4. It has the ordered pair, square root of 2 over 2, comma, square root of 2 over 2. The cosine is your x. So we can use that square root of 2 over 2 to simplify this expression. So the exact value for this answer, this expression, is the square root of 2 over 2.